What is the Benjamin Franklin effect? The Benjamin Franklin effect. Turning enemies into friends. The Benjamin Franklin effect is a psychological phenomenon where an individual who has done someone a favor is more likely to do that person another favor in the future, even if they previously disliked that person. This effect is named after Benjamin Franklin, who described an incident in his autobiography where he turned an enemy into a friend by asking him for a favor. Specifically, Franklin requested to borrow a rare book from his rival, who agreed. After returning the book, Franklin expressed his appreciation, and the rival subsequently spoke to him with great civility and became willing to help him in other matters. The Benjamin Franklin effect is explained by cognitive dissonance theory. When someone does us a favor, they invest time, energy, or resources in us. This can lead to cognitive dissonance if the recipient does not like the favor giver. To reduce this dissonance, the receiver has two choices. 1. Come to appreciate the favor giver. 2. Deny or minimize the favor. Most people choose the first option, leading to the Benjamin Franklin effect. The effect has been demonstrated in various contexts, such as exchanging favors between colleagues leading to stronger team spirit. Students helping teachers with small tasks, appreciating them more. Small acts of kindness, strengthening personal relationships. While the Benjamin Franklin effect can be a useful tool for building rapport, it's important to use it ethically and not manipulate people solely for one's own interests at their expense. Overall, the effect illustrates how our actions can shape our attitudes and relationships in unexpected ways.